The 27th of July, Rabbi Furst, Mishna Berura.
Let's see. And good morning again. This is Rabbi Shlomo Furst Yeshiva Samanavshi, Yerushalayim, here of Zoom. Our second share this morning, Lucas Mishna Berura, Lucas Tisha B'Av. We're going to jump around a bit because we have another week before the 10th, the 9th and the 10th. Let's start here. In Taf Kuf Nun Vav.
Taf Kuf Nun Vav. Let me find that. Okay, hold on. Nun Vav. Daled. Nun Hey.
Right, Taf Kuf Nun Vav. And you have it there.
Yes.
Okay.
So it says, let's see. Tisha B'Av, Shechal B'Yom Rishon. Oh, when Tisha B'Av begins on Sunday.
That's right. That's how it's scheduled for this week. This week is scheduled. This coming year, it's scheduled for for Yom Rishon. So there are a couple of different halachas that are necessary to know. Okay. Let's start in with the mechaber. Go ahead, Mayor, if you like.
Okay. Start in 1 second. It says, okay, Leil Tisha B'Av Shechal B'Yachad B'Shabbat. Okay, so the night of Tisha B'Av starts Yachad B'Shabbat. What's that? It like during Shabbat?
Leil Tisha B'Av Shechal Be'echad B'Shabbat, the night of Tisha B'Av, when it falls out on the first day of the week.
Okay. Kishe Ro'eh HaNer Omer Borei Morei Ha'esh. Oh, okay. So one should light a candle and say, who creates the light of fire? Ve'ein mivarech aha b'samim, but we don't. But this is Havdalah. Okay, so but we don't say the blessing on the spices. Uvaleil motzei Tisha B'Av mavdil al hakos. Oh, and at the end of Tisha B'Av, we do Havdalah on the wine, I guess, the kos. V'eino mivarech lo haner, but we don't say the blessing of the candle. The lo al habisamim, and we don't say the on the bisamim. Looks like the bisamim get the short change of this type situation.
Yeah, we only make the bracha b'samim on Motzi Shabbos because that's in a response to the leaving of the neshama yisera, which doesn't only occurs on Motzi Shabbos. And we'll have to see why not. What's wrong with making a bracha b'samim? Why shouldn't we make a bracha b'samim? You're not eating, you're not drinking, right?
No, but isn't it nehanin or something? It's still pleasure.
Okay, but I mean, who says you can't get on Yom Kippur? We smell b'samim.
Oh yeah.
Some people come around, and they put out special things to smell on Yom Kippur.
I guess that's to keep people awake. Maybe I don't know.
Maybe.
Wow.
We'll see in the Mishnah Berura. Have to look into this a bit. Yeah, yeah.
Well, I don't know where I learned this, but I heard that Yom Kippur is the white fast and Tisha B'Av is the black fast.
Okay.
So it that sort of, how can I say, not symbolizes, well, it symbolizes our reason for fasting on those two distinct days.
Right. Okay. So that could be a way to maybe try and answer what we're dealing with here. That's a possibility. Good idea.
Right. Okay, so let's do the Mishnah Berura. Let me find it real quick. Okay, so it's Kashero on there. When one sees the candle, the lamp, whatever. Dezeh ein ta'un kos. So we don't have to say the dezeh ein ta'un kos. So over the cup. We're
I
not
think
supposed to either.
right. We're obviously not making a bracha on the wine because it's a fast day now, right? Shabbos is
Right.
ended, and now the fast has begun. So obviously we
Mhm.
can't make a havdalah on a kos.
Right. Okay.
So
The ain bezeh mishum ta'anug. Oh, because this is pleasurable. Kamo sheyesh. Oh, bisamim, as and so with the spices. So yeah, so one, like you said, one is drinking, but one is smelling, and according to the Mishnah Brewer, they both give pleasure.
right, so you're not able to make the bracha on the basami because there's tanug in there. We'll have to see how that fits in. But here, at least for what we're trying to do now with with the um with the nair is permissible to us.
Uh-huh, right. So it says, Vivarech al haor kodem korin echa. Okay, so we have to say the blessing over the light before the reading of echa. Okay, let's see. The echa kativ. Oh, there's a pasuk in echa. The Machashachim Choshvani. Oh, that I sit in a dark place, I guess. Hmm.
Yes.
V'achein yivarech techila al hamaor. So we say the blessing over the light. V'gam sheyehaneh achar kach me'oro kishekorin echa. And then, I guess the light would be useful during the reading of Echa.
Right.
Ve'im shekach levarech, yivarech achar kach balayla. Okay, and if one forgot to say the blessing over the light, he should say it on love deal. I guess when you say Havdalah over the coast. Oh no, I skipped a line. Hold on now. So Reki Achar Kach Balayla. Okay, Kevan She Hachiyuv Adin Allah. Okay. Because it's a chiyuv.
Right, so
Still
if
to
you
make
forgot
it.
to make the bracha on the or before he went to Shul before Eicha, so later on when he remembers, then that night can still make the bracha anytime during that night.
Make it during the night. Okay. Don't forget. So anytime that night. Okay. Let's see, bet. Bet is Uvalel Motzei. Okay, so and the ending of the evening. Uvalel Tisha B'Av Mavdil Ba Tefillah. Okay, so on the night of Tisha B'Av, one Mavdil Ba Tefillah. One says here. It says one says Havdalah.
Right, you'll be saying Havdalah. When are you going to say Havdalah? You say Havdalah when you're davening, right?
Oh, that's right in the Atachonein bracha. Yafal pi she'ein yachol l'havdil as al hakos. Oops, 1 second. I gotta plug my machine in. Sorry about that. If I can find the plug. Okay, so let's see. Where was I? Okay. So Veil Tisha B'Av, okay, Mavdil Tefillah. Okay, so in the prayers we say the Havdalah. Yachval Bikain She'ein Yachol L'Havdil Az Al Hakos. And nonetheless, we're not able to do Havdalah over the kos, over the wine. Ve'im ta'ah az vil lo hivdil batfilah. But then if one tasted it, ta'ah.
Okay, you made a mistake. When you made a mistake and did not say Havdalah in davening.
Oh, did not say it in davening. Okay, ein tzarich lachzor. Okay, so he doesn't have to go back and repeat it. Kevan sheyavdil al kos b'motzei tishba, because he'll say Havdalah over the kos on Motzei Tisha B'Av. V'hanashim, let's see, she'enan yodot lehit palel, and women that don't know, I guess, how to daven. V'lo hivdilu b'motzei Shabbat b'tfilah, and they do not do the Havdalah in the prayers Motzei Shabbat. Tzarich kol eish lahazhiran shebiyom ata'anit lo yasu eish levashel l'tzorech halayla ad b'tfilah. Okay, so what's that? And they don't know. They don't say that the
Right. So when it comes to women that they don't know to daven, they don't usually daven and they don't know how to daven Ma'ariv. V'lo yavdilo b'motzi Shabbos b'tfilah, and therefore they're not going to be making Havdalah in their Shemon Esrei. Tzorah kol ish la'aziram hayom atainus lo yasa eish v'ashul tzorach layla ad shomer Havdal ben kodesh l'chol. So they have to be told, husbands have to tell their wives that they should be careful to say Baruch Hamavdil ben Kodesh L'chol.
oh, okay, very good. Okay, so Gimel. See, we're still in Gimel, right? Yes, Mavdil al Hakos should make Havdalah over a kos class. The Ein Tzarich L'Havdil b'Tfilah Kevan Shehivdil Meyet Mol. Okay, he doesn't need to say Havdalah in his prayer since he'll say Havdalah the next day. Meyet Mol.
From yesterday.
Oh, from yesterday.
He's talking about here on Motzi
Oh, Tisha B'Av?
Tisha B'Av.
Oh, okay.
When you're about to break the fast, so you don't have to make a Havdalah in your davening because you already did that yesterday, last night on Motzi Shabbos. But you are going to go home and you are going to make Havdalah on a kos when you go home. Or maybe they'll have it in shul. Sometimes they have like a public break fast, if you know what I mean.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Remember, you've had that experience, a public break fast?
Well, I think we've had that in the States. I don't remember here if we've had it or not.
Yeah, here it's not so common. In the States, it's more common because a lot of people sometimes they have to walk distances. And well, actually, it's Tisha B'Av. On Tisha B'Av, on Yom Rishon, you can do malacha.
Right. Okay, so
Sometimes they have Kiddush Levana after that also. They have Kiddush Levana after the break fast, right? Yeah, remember that?
that's true. Right. Right. Okay. So let's see. Vafilu shekach et mol lahavdil b'tfilah. And if he forgot with the day before to say the Havdalah in his prayer, Gam Kain Yered de Ein Sarich Ata Lahavdil b'Tfilah. So it's not required now to say Havdalah in his prayer if he
Right, on
forgot.
Ma'ariv Motzi Tainus, you don't have to make Havdalah in your prayer. You already did that Motzi Shabbos.
That's right. But even if he forgot, it says,
Even if he forgot, right? Because
yeah.
he said, Baruch Hamavdil ben Kodesh L'chol.
Mhm.
And not only that, he's going to be making Havdalah when he gets home.
Okay. Shekavar halach shata, because it's already passed. Visagi Vamesh Yavdil Ata al Hakos. And therefore you can make the Havdalah over a kos now.
Right, sufficient what he said and what he's going to say on the kos.
Okay. Let's see. Al Hakos. Kashet hechshik beirach borei pri hagafen v'havdalah. And what he says, borei pri hagafen of Havdalah. The im kain mashma shemutar lahavdil ahayayin. So then it is permitted to say Havdalah on the yayin. Umashma shemutar lishtot biatzmo, and therefore he's able to drink it by himself. Bein sarich litain litino. Oh, and he doesn't have to give it to a small one. Okay, they know.
The wine, he doesn't have to give the cost of the bracha of the Havdalah, the wine he doesn't have to give to a child.
Right. Okay.
Let's see, I think we went over time now. And
Oh yeah, it's 10:33. Okay, so I guess
so we have to continue this tomorrow. Yeah, Ezra Shem will continue this tomorrow. There are a lot of other details to discuss about Tisha B'Av when it comes out of Yom Rishon. When do you change out of your Shabbos clothes? All these things.
oh, okay. So you don't wear Shabbos clothes on Tisha B'Av, huh? Okay.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Not appropriate.
Oh, okay. Well, that's
Okay.
good to
Very
know
good.
too.
Mitzvah Shem, it's more relevant to the shoes. The shoes is something which you have to stop wearing more or less from. Well, we'll see. We'll discuss whether that's from Shkia sunset or from Tzeitzis Chachavim. We'll discuss that.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Very good, Mitzvah Shem.
Okay.
Okay,
Have a
thank
good
you,
day.
Mayor. Very good. Thank you, and
Thank
thank
you.
you, Lou. See you all
Okay.
tomorrow. Mitzvah Shem.
Very
Be well.
good.
Shalom. Bye.
Uh,